Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a luxury haul for you. I picked up a few pieces from our favorite luxury brands. I have some Louis, Hermes, of course Chanel is always a must. I picked up some must-have pieces and essentials for fall and winter, so I'm so excited to show you what I got. I'm actually going to start with a very festive unboxing, and this one is from COSY Island. It came in this beautiful red gift box that is currently exclusive and you can get with your orders. This box is in very limited quantities, but also you can step in and save big with COSY Island, up to 50% off. They have some really amazing Black Friday deals, so definitely check them out. As you can see inside this limited edition box, there is also a luxury silky soft eye mask. If you're not familiar with COSY Island, it is a global footwear brand built on the belief that style should never compromise comfort. They offer very timeless designs that look as good as they feel, and they're crafted for all day, everyday wear. Yoshi wants to be part of the unboxing, so let me show you. I picked up in this beautiful red gift box these crystal shoes in champagne gold. These come in a variety of different colors, but I was actually looking for exactly this color because I do have some metallic bags from Chanel, and do you like them? They will match my Chanel bag so nicely. Can you guys see the padding on the sole? They're very cushioned. The heel height is also extremely comfortable and they're very stretchy, as you can see as well. At the heart of each pair of COSY Island shoes, there is a signature pain-free technology featuring seamless fabrics and a tech-enhanced midsole that reduces foot fatigue. So this stunning pair of shoes combines style, comfort and confidence. You guys know I always look for high quality products, and COSY Island shoes definitely fit my style and lifestyle perfectly. They're so sleek and they add that instant party perfect shine. They'll be great for any occasions like weddings, events. And as you can see, I styled them up with this long black dress, which I will also link down below. And this is actually what I'm planning to wear during the holidays, maybe New Year's Eve. This is one of my options. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me show you the next pair of shoes I got. Oh, I love these so much, and you will understand why. These give major Chanel vibes. Look at this beautiful tweed. It is a little bit sparkly as well, as you can see. The slingback and the heel is also in a velvet. It really gives that really high-end vibe, but at the same time these are so inexpensive compared to Chanel tweed pumps. These are currently under $100 and it is a limited offer. COSY Island doesn't usually do many discounts, so now is the time to shop because of their Black Friday offer. Some of these shoe styles are up to 50% off. These will be perfect for work, for the office, everyday wear, but also for the upcoming holiday season. I think the style is so timeless and classic. It will also make a great gift. And last, I had to, of course, pick up a winter pair of shoes. I picked up these stunning chocolate brown boots. These are from the new winter collection and I absolutely loved the texture, the color, and also the more like sporty but at the same time chic vibe because of the, as you can see, rubber. These are also in this very stretchy knit fabric, so they'll keep you warm but they'll hug your calves really nice as well. I always actually struggle finding tall boots because they never fit my calves, especially designer shoes from Chanel, let's say. You can really see how soft and flexible this material is. It's actually made from recycled plastic bottles. and it's featuring 3D air holes for breathability and 20% extra stretch for a pressure-free, frictionless fit. These are also perfect for the fall winter weather because they're water repellent and the soles are non-slip. These are so easy to slip on and off. There are no zippers. You can just slide your feet in and out smoothly, and inside we have that honeycomb gel for shock absorption. They look amazing on and they feel even better. Elegant, warm and comfortable. What else do you need from a pair of winter boots? I'm so excited to style these up, especially in this chocolate brown color of the season. So yeah, these are all my 3 Cozy Island picks. Let me know which one is your favorite, and definitely check out their current offers for Black Friday and the limited edition red gift boxes. Alright, moving on with some Louis. So I picked this up a couple of weeks ago and I cannot wait to show you. This is from the Ski Collection, I believe. So when I saw it, it was a no-brainer. I added it to my basket so quick before it sells out, because these items tend to sell out very, very quick. So in here we have the cutest fall winter accessory for your bags, a squirrel. Again, if you've been watching my channel, you know how obsessed I am with squirrels. I love these little guys so much. Every time I see a squirrel, I literally scream and I wanna hug it and film it and feed it. So I love going to parks to watch squirrels as well. I know I'm weird like that, but I saw this little charm with the squirrel and I fell in love. I actually saw something similar from Fendi, but it was much bigger. It almost looked like a toy. I showed you it in a shopping vlog. I will insert a clip here so you can see which one I'm talking about, and I was very tempted, I'm not gonna lie, but I was like, okay, it looks like a toy. I would never use it on my bags. So when I saw Louis Vuitton released this cute little guy, I was like, yep, this is the one. I'm glad I waited, and this one will match my on the go. I don't know if you guys remember, a couple of months ago I bought another charm with a kitty, but this one definitely felt, as I said, a bit more fall wintry because of the fur detailing on the tail, and it is monogram, by the way, on the back. We do have the reversed monogram for the body and little pink nose and pink ears. I am obsessed with this charm. There was also a bunny. I was very tempted to get the bunny as well, but I thought this one will match most of my bags because of the color. The bunny was white with, I think, white furry tail, but yeah, I had to get this one, and this one, as I said, matches my on the go. I can wear it with the petite malle and some of my other brown bags as well. I can also put it on my Birkin, why not? But yeah, this is the little guy I picked up from Louis. Next we have some Hermes. Very big bag for a very small box. So this I really thought I missed on. I think I mentioned this in one of my recent updated wishlist videos, and also I mentioned it in another vlog. I actually found it on the display on the Sloane Street boutique. They had this on display. As you can tell, it is a twilly from the box, the shape of the box. Do you guys remember that shopping vlog? I saw it on the window display. I went inside, they said they can take it off display, but then turned out they couldn't. And they said they'll contact me once they change the display. They never did, by the way. But my essay did some magic, and I don't know how she found this for me and transferred it. So here it is, the twilly that I thought I missed on. I really wanted to get this during the summer because it does feel very spring summery because of the flower print. This is the Brides de Gala en fleur. twilly. It has a flower print, as you can see on one side, and then we have the Brides de Gala motif that is signature for Hermes on the other side, and it is in a very bright yellow. I don't think I would ever wear it on that side, but the reason I wanted this twilly so badly was so I can wear it on the flowery side on my Etude Birkin 25. And this color actually matches so well. It is pretty much exactly the same as the Etude color. I will put it on my Birkin 25 so you can see how it looks and how well it matches, and also because of the gold hardware, the touch of yellow on some of the flowers pops really nicely and it complements the color of the bag as well. The chocolate brown obsession continues. Guys, if you are just as obsessed with chocolate brown as I am, you need this stunning jacket in your wardrobe. Look how beautiful this is. I picked this up from Fabri, and no, this is not paid collaboration, it's not sponsored. I am a genuine customer of Fabri. I have worked so many times with them, but I also buy a lot because I love their designs. And what's so unique about Fabri is that they work with over 300 designers, and some of these designers have worked for Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, some of the biggest luxury brands, and they design for Fabri. So this piece is designed by Bobby Andres, and I just loved it so much. It was love at first sight. I was looking for a chocolate brown jacket, but you guys know I love a very specific style and this one ticked all the right boxes for me. It has a belt, it is a bit longer, it has pockets on the front. These are all my favorite features in a jacket. I actually have so many similar jackets to this one, the same style, just in different colors, but I didn't have a chocolate brown one, so I can't believe I found exactly what I was looking for. And this one actually I believe is currently on sale because they're running their Black Friday sale currently. And also just imagine this jacket styled with my new Gucci chocolate brown loafers that I unboxed in my previous video. I will make sure to link that unboxing above in case you've missed it. Yeah, this is the dream chocolate brown jacket. I'm so excited to wear it with like a cashmere high neck, styled with this. Oh, can't wait. But because I like to be matchy, I had to pick up an accessory from Chanel in chocolate brown. And as you can tell from the box, it is a pair of sunglasses. And these sunglasses have also been on my wish list since the beginning of the year, I think actually, and I finally pulled the trigger because these are quite pricey. They're all wrapped. So let me remove all the packaging. There are some tags on them, which I will remove later. But these are the beautiful chocolate brown sunglasses from Chanel with this tweed detail in brown again. These come in a few different colors. There is a very beautiful burgundy as well, black, classic black, and also the chocolate brown, which of course I had to pick up. I have so many shoes, bags, clothes in chocolate brown. I think I really needed this pair to match everything, tie everything together. But can you guys imagine these with my new jacket that I just showed you? These are, by the way, polarized. I don't really like polarized lenses, so they do feel a bit weird, especially if you're wearing them and looking at your phone. It does feel a bit weird, so I don't know, I can't really get used to polarized sunglasses. So I think I might have to change the lenses, but I might also add prescription actually, because I can't see far. I'm literally blind far. But yeah, these are the sunglasses. I remember trying them on, I think end of last year and also beginning of this year, but they're very expensive, so I was like, no, I can't really spend that much for a pair of sunglasses. But yeah, decided to finally pull the trigger now that fall and winter is coming. I think I'm going to wear them, so So happy with these. I love them, and I love the beautiful CC actually on the side with this chain detail. Love. And last, I picked up another pair of glasses. However, these are very different. These are my new reading glasses. Well, not really reading, they're for far, I can't see far. So I have a new prescription, and of course I had to pick up a new pair of glasses as well, and I'm obsessed with them. So let me try them on. Oh, I can finally see the viewfinder so clear because the camera is not that far, but when I film I can't really see myself in the viewfinder. Everything is so blurred. Now I can see clear. These are the new glasses. What do we think? I'm obsessed. However, something happened when they were adding the new prescription. They chipped, they damaged the side frame, so I am in the process of exchanging them. These will be exchanged for exactly the same pair, but I wanted to show you before I send them back. I can't wait to receive the new ones so I can start wearing them ASAP. Love them in black. These also come in dark burgundy, which I'm also very tempted to get, I'm not gonna lie. A very classic frame, a bit oversized, a bit cat eye. As you can see, it's a bit elongated and pointy, and also the side frame has this very classic chain detail with two small CCs. They're so beautiful. I'm really bummed that they damaged the frame, so now I have to wait probably a week to get my new prescription glasses, but yeah, I have to show you them and let me know what you think. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's luxury unboxing. Let me know your thoughts, which item was your favorite from today's haul. Everything will be linked down below. I will also link the glasses and the reference numbers for you in case you want to find them. Sometimes I know it's not that easy to find glasses online, so make sure I leave the reference numbers as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!